of forgot to start the stream, so you'll notice a new indicator. I wanted to put this one on here as just kind of like a confluence thing, or look at it as a confluence. It's a heat map. I don't like the colors, it's way too strong, but it does give a good indicator. I kind of went through it and saw, like right here, I would not be. Um, let's see if I can find a good one. So right here, where it comes down. I'm trying to find one where it comes down in the blue, where you don't see it as good. Here we go. So this one came down. Oh, no, it wasn't in the blue yet. Jeez Louise, man, come on. Let's see if I can find one. All right, so the market's open. Let's see if we can find one here, maybe. Yeah, here. So this one, you see, is going red down here. Let's be what this candle right here. This candle right here. We're going down at a slope. It's red, but it just come out. So technically, that's a good buy on the strategy. But we get we would get stopped out. Let's see, it'll be right here. So we get stopped out at 125. Now I have my stop right here, so it'd be 12 points or so. So I think I'm gonna just kind of use that as confluence. So yeah, that's it. So just wanted to kind of talk to myself about that on the stream. All right, so markets are open. Oh yeah, and I was gonna do a trade, but I decided not to. So we're completely blank today. You know what? I just now realized something. I am going to change because those evals. Yeah, I'd like to save them, but I don't know that I will be able to. So I am just going to go to one mini instead. E-mini NASDAQ, March. All right, so instead of 5, we're definitely only doing 1. So, yep. All right, here we go. Looks like we're going to be going up today. All right, now I'll be on mute for a bit. We're going to wait the first 15 minutes as usual. actually like this right now. But want to see I want it to see a little bit better. Oh, there we go. There's the better sell off. Close. Close here. We pop up, man. I might even get in early. I did like this right here, this long bottom wick. Don't like this push down, but that's what I was afraid of right there. See, this is kind of leveling off too. And that's why we wait for the first 15 minutes. I'm not getting in. We're just going to wait on this. All right, so that trade idea would not have worked. Glad I'm waiting. Yeah, and I'm see how flat this got. It makes me think that we're may start looking to go down. Um, we've been heading down pretty much since what? Since Asia. Market opened. Let's see. Let me look and see. Market opened 5 p.m. Went up a little bit and then just kind of started down and consolidated until the Asia session jumped up and then just started falling. So now we're jumping up and we're going to start falling again. I do believe that we will break. See what we're down to 54 here. Yeah, break the overnight lows today. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a bit. We're gonna get us come on, a good little pullback here. Come on, man. Jeez. Boy, I tell you, sometimes this platform is aggravating. Really? Yep. We're gonna wait a bit. Still early. Not gonna jump on this long train right now. Not with this blue line flattening out. So we'll wait and see. All right. So first of all, this trade would have worked. We'd have got about 40 points. And now I'm seeing this big wick up here. I'm wondering if I shouldn't go short. See the big wick, see the red line here, diving down. I'm just curious to see now if we would have, see if we go short here. boom. We're not going to actually go short, but see what kind of a 1 to 1. See what happens. Yeah. Big strong one too. Look at that, man. My volume. Now the trend's going to go up some more. Probably would have stopped us out at -4. So this would have won. This probably is going to lose. Yep. So that would have lost. Interesting. All right, we'll pause. this is getting a little interesting. Gonna have a little pullback here. Let's see if there's anything. Ooh. Could that be the top? Alright, so after hours last night, we actually did have a top of 250. Let's just call it 250, 249.75. This is going to go up without me again. We're coming down to the damn red line, not getting down below that, but we'll wait and see. Yeah, so a little bit of buying pressure here. That's good. I'd like it to end in there though, so that I can make the trade. I don't want to not follow the system. Yeah, okay. Filling up the fair value gap here. All right, so close this gap. This gap's filled. Don't go too high. Just wait a bit. Stay right there. Slowly climb up to about here, and then we'll get in. This thing might be following 3 or 4 of my trade ideas here. Crap. If it gets up here, then it's going to blow this thing. Okay, well, I can live with it going a little further down. We still got another big old gap here. So we close that gap. Oh, I guess that's the same gap. Duh. Okay. As long as we don't get below that 140, and we got two trade ideas here. We are a bit high on that heat map, man. 4.25. Gives just enough of a pullback to get me down below here, right at candle close, or a hard pullback and then a good low steady push up. All right, here we go, like that. Not, I need a little bit more. Here we go. Now, let's go for the push. That's a hard down candle there. Now we're red, so now we're not taking this trade either. Yeah, we're gonna come and mess with this. I take that one because it was red a while ago, and I would have made a nice big chunk on that. Yeah, I don't know. It's so close to the trend line here. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 red candles. Well, 7 red candles and 1 green candle in the last 8. If we don't break that, let's see what the low is. 26.25. 26. It only broke it by a quarter. This might be the play, man. We might get it's not a whole lot of push up volume. Man, I might have to get in here. We'll see. I'm gonna go too high. Come back down right at 5 seconds. 7, 6, 5. Bam. Yep, we're getting in. So we're gonna have a go to 120 here. See if we can get us a good cancel. Good push. We're gonna get the 200. Just get the 199.50. I don't want to lose anything on this. We're red. So we'll see. I could just flatten that puppy up. Ooh, didn't like that. Did not like that at all. That sucks. All right, let's go up. Push back up. Come on, baby. Push up, push up, push up. There we go. There we go. You got to make it above here. Come on, man. You got to make it above that 173. Jeez, really? We're going to get stopped out with $530 loss. Jeez Louise, man. Are you freaking kidding me? Come on. This is stressful. All right, we're just gonna take a breath and sit on our hands. Probably, if it gets back up there, I'm gonna have to bring my stop loss up. I think I might start seeing accounts get blown here. might see some evals get blown. This goes down and stops us out. All right, come on, push up. There you go. All right, come on, get on up there. Get on up. Come on, we're just gonna hang right around my entry, really? Yeah, come on, push up, push up, push up. I'll see you go up. Oh, why we're not copying? Oh my God. Son of a bitch. No, what the E-mini. Fudge. Oh man, come on, get on up there. I just now realized we're not copy trading, son of a bitch. Why in the hell are we not up here? Mini. No, PA. In Q. Son of a bitch. Let's get in anyway. Now we got 8 orders placed. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Oh, boy, that is so freaking frustrating. God, that, oh, can't believe that. Son of a gun. Go away. Man, that is frustrating. Goodness gracious. Well, now we'll just wait for the next one, I guess. Man, I cannot believe that it just happened. Why is this 40 points, man? What? So 120. Guess it was further down. Man, that is so freaking frustrating. 166. So we'd had 40 points. We'd had $800 on each one. We'd be probably done for the day. Gosh darn it, man. That sucks. Oh well. We'll wait for the next one. If it goes below the, if we close, if we break this structure down here without breaking anything higher, I am not going to be going long because you can see we're kind of sloping down here. I'm just kind of hoping we break this and just start heading down because we got a lot of retracing to do if we're going to do that. Where we opening candle low was 985 and pre-market low was what, 972? Really? That was it? What the freaking hell? What the hell happened here? Okay, yeah, so this is the low of day right here. 962. Well, maybe we'll get another opportunity. Man, I don't like doing it here. If we don't go below this, man, I might maybe get in. Gosh. I mean, we don't need the whole thing. We just need a little chunk, right? So close, hang around here for a minute. or actually close here. There you go, boom. And then hang around here. Yep, 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 there you go. Don't go below this. Don't go below this. Don't go too high though. Not yet anyway. Wait till right at close of candle. There we go. So we could retrace all the way up to 60. There we are. Yeah, so now I'm not so sure about this one. I know usually we get a little bounce. So let's see if we would get that bounce 20 if we go to 30. See if we get a bounce, 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 bounce. Yep. All right, so we would have got the 10-point bounce there. Right back down. Yeah, we're gonna start looking for shorts here. So let's see if let me back up to yesterday. I'm curious. So we got this line. So we're going down. Well, let's get to 845. So we're going up to right here. We can maybe start looking for longs. We cross. We look for longs until right here. We start going down, and yeah, across the short. So that makes sense. So as long as that color line is what we should be looking for. So we should be looking for shorts here real soon. Of course, I do want to see it. Before we look for shorts, I want to see that. I want to see it come up there. There we go. Okay, now it looks like we're going to go back up and looking for longs. We're back here, so we're just going to go with the color. We're red, so we're looking for shorts right now. I could see, let's see, we got a lot of volume right in this area. So if we pop back up above here and then just start shooting back down, I would definitely be interested in that. Do I think it's going to go up and hit that? Yes, I do. Well, not hit it, but I think it's going to go up to probably somewhere around 50-ish. So we're right at the 100 mark, eh? So we're right at the 100 mark. 8 red candles in a row. And we're just going down. So go down, it's going to do a pop below here. We're going to go down to 25,000 and then start bopping around there. Shoots. Hmm. I cannot believe that damn last trade. That burns my. It's so freaking infuriating. Okay, I gotta pee. Hooey, we're just pouring down, ain't we? Yep, just like I said, here we go, right down to 25K. Man, we didn't stop for nothing, huh? Jeez. Fair value gap, fair value gap, no fair value gap, no fair value gap, no fair value gap, no fair value gap, fair value gap, no fair value gap, and then this one looks like it might be making a fair value gap. So here's what's going to happen here. We're going to pop back up and then just start going down. We're going to go down to around 65. And I think I might make that a target. Wow, we're not even going to come up and try and get inside that gap, are we? A little bit of slowdown here. Where could we have made our money here? Nope. This one technically, but we'd have got stopped out. Just a little pullback, man. Just come and close this gap or fill this gap and then just start coming down. Well, actually, you can close the gap. Just come back down. I should have known when this was way up here like this. I should have just got in right here. Where's that? Candles that should have got in right there. Or actually, I had to close this one, I guess. 144, and where are we at now? 022. Yeah, we'd have hit our max profit. max daily profit and gotten. Geez, man, there's really nothing here. Wow. Oh, we're hitting this wall right here of all this volume. A lot of buy volume here. People put their stop losses. All this break even. I wonder. All right, we need to pay attention. Let's go back to the 1 minute. We're moving up now, so let's pay attention. Pay close attention. Boom. All right, so let's see. Come on, pop. Give me a nice little pop. Come up and start filling this gap, and then pop down. Fill it, but don't close it. Really, really, really like to see a little pop. Crap. Yep, here we go. Right down to the low. Now, when it gets below 62, we're not going to know what the hell to do. So, damn it. Boom. Yep. Now we don't know what to do. I mean, could this be a much longer term downtrend? When was this? This was yesterday. Okay, well, not too bad yesterday. Gosh, man, just give me a freaking pop. Come on. Why didn't I get in here? Oh, we were still in the green. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start paying more attention to this blue, to this solid line than all that crap, man. We go down to 24,000 today. Golly, have we had a green? Yeah, one green candle in that sea of red. We could come back up to 92 and hit it and then drop, just dive down. Kind of, I wouldn't mind seeing that. Have this pop up here and then just start coming down again. One and a quarter. Is that where that is? 91. I'll be damned. There it is. Boy, it's tempting to take a short right here at 91 or 92 rather. Push up a little bit more. Come on, a little bit more. Man, still got a little ways to go, but not much before we're out of the game. Come on, push up, push up, push up. Come on. You push up into the red. Man, come on. Man, it's tempting to short right there at 92. If I knew I'd pick up, 10 or 20 points for sure, I would do it. And here we go. Right back down. Gosh darn it, man. Yeah, there's about the middle here. The up volume looks stronger than the down volume. Watch. Bam. Straight down. Ooh. No. Ooh. Interesting. Not fun, but interesting. Oh yeah. Come on. Come back down. No, don't do this. Keep me out of the game. Come on, man. Jeez. There we go. That's high enough. Still got a little ways to go before we get down to the bottom. I think it's got to close in above 80. Yeah, okay, we'll close above 80. So this one, though, on the other hand, may not. So this one, yeah, go ahead and pop up a bit and then just flush back down. That'd be great. Yeah. Now go down. Go down. Why are you going up? if everything lines up, I'm going to get in. Not too far. No, 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 no. Play around up here some more. Come on, man. There you go. Just play around right here. Don't go and hit this. Stay right there, and then right at close, just boom. Right at candle close, go down. Ah, damn it. You gonna go and freaking fart around over there? Come on. You gonna go FAFO over there? Straight down. Son of a gun. Go ahead and fill that gap and come back down. That's what I want. Then fill the gap. Now come down. Come on, flush down, man. Come on, flush down. Don't go up more. Flush down. Mm. This is terrible. Yep, now we're blue. Crap. Oh well. We're gonna pause again. Okay, this is getting interesting once again. Um, so now we're down into that zone. Are we going to pop back up? I don't know. Let's look at this a bit more. We got, gosh, man. Yeah, I think we got a long ways to go up here. We got a good little bit. Well, at least 30. At least 30 points. So, yep, good little ways. So let's get back to. All right, we may be getting in here. If it doesn't go too high. Okay, I can deal with low. I'd rather deal with lower than bounce right there with that big wick on top. But we got a signal here. We got this signal here. I want it to come down a little bit first. Shoot. No. Come down to here. Oh my God, why did we not get in? Gosh, I'm so scared. Why are you so scared, Aaron? Why? Just keep that buy on there, man. Jeez. I cannot believe I'm not going to win this trade. I'm not going to win it. Duh. I'm not in it. All right, come on. Come down. Come and hit it. Come and get me. Come and get me. Come and get me. Yes. All right, cool. We're in. Jeez. 18. Let's bring it to 15. Yeah, close enough. Yeah, get up in there. Come on. All right. No. Come on. Don't do this to me. Oh my God. Are you freaking kidding me? All right. Come on. Go. I want to see it break this wick. 62. What's that damn number again? 62, isn't it? Oh, no. Never mind. Different 62, I guess. We're still pushing up. All right, come on. Go, 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 go. Go. New candle. Do we move it? Cancel. Let's get on up there. Yeah, we're going to pass this. We get to 73. I'll start moving it up. Oh, come on. Once we get to 63, I'll start moving it up. Or just let it be, man. Just let it do its thing. You can't lose this though, man. Jeez. There you go. Just leave it there. Bam. All right, we're good. Oh, okay, where are we at? Well, not where I want it to be, but better than where I was. So, and it's gonna come up and hit this. I knew I should have probably put this right here, but that's okay. That's okay. We're good. All right. Let's review this one. All right. So we're here. We're obviously we're in the uptrend. And this blue line showing we're in the uptrend. I don't know about these histograms back here, whatever this is back here. The heat map thing. We'll see. So we had a big dump candle here, high volume too, and then we had this one that almost broke my line, but didn't. So we get in. We actually waited. It didn't come. It came up. It was a beautiful pop up, and then I put me a limit order right here. So it came back down and hit me. Got in, closed up here. Then this candle opened, and then this one opened and closed up here. And then this one opened, and we didn't close the trade. I wasn't looking that it had closed already. So it was going up. I was looking at my target, which was right up around here somewhere. Let's see, we got in 41, so it was right at 81. Wow, it came that close. Wow. I should have put my target right above the high, 73. But I did. Oh, look, we're going to get another entry right here. We might get another entry right here. Or maybe not. It's probably going to go. It's going to go too high. Anyway, so then I started bringing my stop up to here, and it was popping up here, and I was moving it up here, and then it started jumping down as soon as I started moving it. So I brought it back down, and it hit it while I was dragging it. So, what are you gonna do, man? You gonna come back down and pop it? Yeah, that's what I thought you were gonna do. So anyway, we ended up with a $460 something $466 trade. How are these two? Oh, geez, $12 and $7. All right, so we still have some time. Hmm. I wish I knew what the criteria was on all this stuff, or what the formulas were on it. Be nice to know. We got a gap here. Oh yeah, no, this wasn't a gap. The only gap we had was right there. Nope. I think we might get another opportunity to trade here. So we got what 466. So that'd be what 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 740, 734, 733, 733. This is getting interesting now. We might come and just drop onto here and then pop up. That'd be, I could deal with that. Oh, it's gonna pop up before because we haven't even filled this gap yet. So let's go and see if we can fill that gap down to about 64 if we can get a hard push down. And yeah, there we go. That's what I want. Close. Come on, candle, close, and then push down hard real quick. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. Okay. Okay. All right. Yep. Yep. Are we starting to flatten out? Oh, come on. Really? That what you're gonna do? Come on, man. You gotta go tickle this. Come on, tickle me, Elmo. Right at 13 points, huh? There we go. Good, good. No volume either. Well, it is the beginning of the candle. If it don't break those lows and starts to come back and closes back up on the next one, it'd be what we're looking for. Jeez, Curtis. So stupid. Here we go again with the damn Curtis text messages. It's annoying. All right, yeah. Okay. All right. So we got a little bit of a push down. Just don't want to go below that 32 area. Don't want to break that structure. I want this to be the structure. Now go up. Just hang right there. Just go up a little. You get to 60 and then never mind. This might be it. I don't know. A little dicey. 45. We'll see. Maybe if it starts going back up. Should have got in at the. If we go down there again and just start going back up, I'm getting in. 3. Yep. Let's do this. Bring that to 45. And push. Push up. Push up. I want to see one good hard push up. Push. Come on. Oh my God. Why does it just fumble around that zone, man? Jeez. Yeah, there you go. Come on. Give me a good hard push. Give me 10 points and I'll bring you up. Give me 20 points, actually. I'll bring you up to 10. There you go. There you go. There you go, baby. There you go. Come on, baby. No. Oh my God, are you kidding me? 62 and a quarter. It won't even get to 82 and a quarter. Gets to 82 and then stops. All right, come on, push up. Jeez, come on, man. I know you could do better than that. Go up. Gotta trust the system, man. Trust the system. Bam, flat. All right, where are we at? 848. So, yeah, didn't quite get it. What the hell? Oh, that's so weird. I only gotta make another 400 to. Man, we hit flat up here and freaking what? 82.50 and got out at 80.75. Jeez, 2 points. It's fucking $40. All right, well, doesn't matter. It's all good. We did well in that trade, and we stayed. I mean, we did exactly what we were supposed to. We got in here, got out here, got a little scare right here, but it worked out. Are we lucky? Probably, because we sure as hell still don't know what we're doing. Okay, so we did not make a higher low here. It looks like we're not going to break this one either. So we got, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower high. And we just crossed the middle here too. So that tells me that we need to be a little more cautious, because it seems like when we cross that middle, that's when weird things start happening. Of course, we do go down a bit, but yeah, I don't know. We still got the blue line, so we're still going up. We'll see. All right, we're going to take a break here. We're going to pause, take a restroom break, maybe get me another cup of coffee. Maybe get me another cup of coffee. I don't know. We'll be back. Oh, yeah. So here we made a lower low. So I am not looking at getting in now, because I am way above. I don't know if you want to call it a daily goal or whatever, but 800 is like, I like to see the 800s. Hell, I like to see green. Doesn't matter with 800. But 800's great. So they say that these things are like gold. It's PAs, so I got 4 of them. I'm only wondering now, though, if I should pay the PA fees on these 4 whenever they pass, and just slowly work up my way, get to about $3,000 or $4,000, $5,000. Just do micros for a bit to bring it up. And technically, I should be doing micros on these. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. If I'm going to go ahead and pay for the PAs, because man, that's 104, it's 280, $560. That is definitely. Oh, look at this. No, we're not getting it. That is definitely more. 560. If my payout gets approved, actually, I got enough. What's this last one? If it gets approved, I do have $647. Wow. Let's see, is this moving at all? Jeez. Um, payout history. My God. Why is those two still pinning it? Chaps my butt. Oh, look at that. I actually like this. I do and I don't. This is the first time we come and test this thing. And we're red here. Yeah, I don't know. If we turn blue, we're jumping in. Well, can't jump in. It's not going to turn blue and stay below this. So it's so tempting though. Well, I know it's going to come back up and at least into this area. I would think up to 70. Where's it? Look at that. Are you kidding me? There's your wick test, man. Bam. Huh. Son of a gun. Who would have thunk? Yeah, I mean, you look at this, we're going down. So look at the 5 minute. We got a freaking killer wick test right there. Can't believe it. And that thing worked great, man. It technically should go down a bit more. So here's the wick, 49 to 92. It should go back down to 25,000 easily. Mm-mm. All right, we're gonna take a little break. Um, go fix another cup of coffee. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. Now we're below. Wow, I forgot to go make me a cup of coffee. Darn it. We're below. I don't know what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, we're below the midline here. We're turning red. I think we got. I think we're still gonna go way down. I really, man, it's so hard. You know. Let's see. Let me look at something. Oh geez, yeah, it looks a little choppy right now until we get out of that zone. But until we break either below these low, below today's lows, or above this little zone right here. So basically below 930, below 24 930, or above 25 1. I don't know that I'm going to get into anything. It's hmm. Well, this one, I wish I'd jumped in on that. Oh, that was right before the news. All right, so we will be looking for shorts. We're definitely going down some. We'll wait and see. I'll be back making coffee. We're going to see a pop here already. We might get a little chance here. It's pretty strong, man. That's a pretty strong pop. Pretty strong pop. Almost too much. Okay. too far. Don't go too far. I would like to get in, but I don't want to get in if you go too far. Yeah, no, too far. I think we're too far. Hmm. A lot of up volume on that. Nope, we're not getting it. Too close. Boy, look at that. It's pivoting right on that line, too. Think it might have got in just above it, but too close. And I'm glad, too, because here we are. We'd have got in, what, 85? Yeah, I'm going to be real picky about my entries right now. Real freaking picky. Of course, here we go. 85. We need 40 point. No. 400. So 20 points. It's down to 65. We'd have hit our max. Look at that. We'd have locked out our accounts right here. Almost. Okay. Coffee. And look at that. Yep. Wow. I'll be maxed out on my. Huh. Well, instincts told me not to get in. I would have been getting greedy. So I'm not going to be upset about it. If we don't break. Ooh. I like to break the lows before we start popping back up here. Let's break this swing low. Let's not break this swing high, and let's get back and get us another quick entry here. Okay, good. All right, so we've got a lower low. Now we got to get a lower high. I don't want to go all the way down here yet, but that right there is going to be the target of the day. Golly, man. I wanted you to go a little bit higher than So all in all, we I don't think if we don't get another entry here before this changes out, I think we're going to be done for the day. um, so all in all, I think that this line of confluence right here, I think this is huge. This I think is I think that's going to be a big factor here for us. I did look into Maverick a little bit more. Let me get rid of this. I don't think we got anything else coming up. No. I did look into Maverick indicators a little bit more. I'm not quite sold on them yet. I emailed the guy. We kind of went back and forth, twice. I emailed him. He emailed me back. I replied. He replied back. Very quick to respond, which is very appreciative. That's kind of something that I always, if you can't respond to me within a couple of days, then come on, man. I mean, because right now we're looking at Apex, which is not responding to my damn freaking payouts. Anyway, but he responded within minutes, both times, I think. And it's not that I don't want to do it. I figured out that I would have to basically pull out and have deposited into my account like $7,900 or $7,600. Just say 8,000. 7312 or 7313. So let's just say 8,000. In order for me to have that money, because I would be adding four new Apex accounts. I would be paying for Copy Trader, and I would be paying for his indicator or indicators, whatever. So all that together totals up to, I can't remember the numbers, like 800. I don't remember, whatever it is. It was like 1,200 something. Anyway, and I did the math, and I would definitely need. I would definitely need over $7,000 deposited into the account this month in order for me to do that. So it's at least a month away. Right now, we've only got like $600 available to us, so it's still a little ways away. Now, look at this. So here we did make lower lows. We made lower highs, lower lows, but now we're making higher highs, and it is pumping. Let's see if it breaks this. If it does, then we're definitely not going to be interested, because we're toward the bottom anyway, even though it's still red. Well, but if it starts just flying down, look at that. Oh my goodness. Well, we can get a good little small body candle here, but stay above in that red. Well, that'd be awesome. Then we'd definitely be taking this one. Come on, no, it's going to keep on pumping up. It's going to break this. So it's 14 and a quarter, 14 and a half. A lot of retracing to do. It's going to do it all right now. Not a whole lot of volume on this red candle, which is not good. Well, it's not good for shorts. Good if you were getting ready to go long. Yeah, we're going to stay out of this right now. And didn't I have... Anyway, back to the Maverick stuff. Yeah, so it's gonna be. There's no way I'm doing it now. I would love to see more results with the NQ, especially, or the ES. I mean, either one. It really doesn't matter. But I'd love to see more results. I'd really love to see somebody streaming live doing it, or at least recording their actual trades. Because I wouldn't mind getting it. I'm a little leery about spending $700 on something that I don't know is going to work. If I knew it'd work, they'd have a 7-day trial or anything, 30-day money back guarantee or any of that. I mean, I would do it. I mean, these are developers. They could write that stuff in. All right, so now it looks like we're going to be going trending up. We're going to go and start getting a blue line here. Super trend's nice, but having this freaking heat map trend, I think that's better. I don't know. Here we go. We got the blue line now. So now we're looking for longs, at least temporarily. Mark Helweg, top trend heat map pro. Mark Helweg, top trend heat map pro. That didn't tell us nothing. This could be the same. Oh. No, same thing. Nope. Hmm. Ooh, that's interesting. We didn't make new highs. So we made higher highs. We haven't yet made the low. Lower low. So technically we could make a higher high. Or we... Huh. We haven't yet. So this is the last swing. Well, let's see something. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Technically we're still in the downtrend. And you got the blue line. So, oh, now it's starting to go back down. Ugh, that's a tough one, man. Yeah, we haven't had boom, 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 boom. Now we might get one. Hard push down. Okay. All right, we're still looking short for now. So had I gotten in here, you just left it 15. Jeez. Yep. Yeah, I still think we need to come down to 30. It's going up faster and down slower. That's the only thing I don't. It's not the only thing I don't like, but it's one thing I don't like. We're still downtrend though. Still downtrend. Might change to up though. Might change to a blue line here in the bottom real quick. Well, that comes up. Okay, so this is a higher low. Oh, we gotta just go up here to make a higher high. What will it be? What's the high here? 11.5. 11.5. Is it going to make a higher high? Yes, it will. Okay. Yep, now we're going to be looking for longs here. Yep, that's what I thought. Looking for longs in all the wrong places. Looking for longs. All right, so, oh God, here I go singing again. Jeez. Just don't think that is going to cut it. I'm gonna watch this candle, man. If we have a hard push down and get some volume on the push and break, never mind. It's done. Same thing here though. If we get nope. You made enough money today. You don't need to make any more. Don't be greedy. Wait for the A plus. We got 818. What the hell is this one? Good God. Jeez. It's so annoying. That's so weird. All right. This is the first touch, though, or the first attempt to touch. So, man, this blue line, though. Nope, we're not doing it. We're not doing it. We're just gonna be getting greedy if we do. We're gonna wait a little while. We got to 11. See what happens. I'm thinking we're looking for longs anyway. So, and there's your 10. So what? We had 32.30. So this one went to 32. Man, I need 20 points to lock me out in profit. $1,200 profit for the day. You don't know how tempting this is. Less than 20 points. What do we need? Let's just say, all right, 818. What do we got? 818. Actually, that one will lock out first. That'll be 10 points. Flatten the whole button. Yeah, flatten all positions. I wonder what we got on the fives. Boy, that thing worked, huh? Hmm. Yeah, we didn't quite get down here. It looks like we're headed back up. Yeah, we could, man, we could. We get a little entry here. Come down, get into the green. We get an entry. We'll get in. We get a lot more volume on up candles. A lot more up candles with higher volume than the previous candle than we do down candles with higher volume than the previous candle. I think anyway. It looks, just glancing, it looks that way. This is a mighty long wick right here. Yeah, there we go. Make some higher high before you make a lower low. I mean a higher low. Yeah, this one. It might not. This one did though. This one definitely did. Tempting to short it again right there on the. Hmm. A lot of time. It would be ending right now. Let's jump on it. Blue line. We're not going to do it. We should. 20. Get to 32. What's that? 35. Boom. There it is. Okay, so we would have got stopped out. Okay, good. All right, we got the right idea. I think that this idea of using this line as my ultimate confluence, right? So we had a good one here. It would have been 18. Stopped at, let me just say, well, the next candle started. Let's just say 20, 50, 20, and I would have put my stop. I'd have probably put my stop at 35. So, and which we would have got stopped out. But so 50, 20. And let's see what happens. Will it go down or will it go back up? I think it'll go back up. So we'd have got stopped out for sure anyway, but because we went to 35. Yeah. So the blue line we're longing, red line we're shorting. And that's it. I mean, so right now we got a discrepancy. We got this, we're on the the super trend we're short, and this top trend we're long. So we're not gonna touch it. We're at a what do you call that? Inversion. We got trend inversion, trend line inversions here. It's kind of like when you get the EMAs when they cross. It's kind of the same thing, really. Dang, and we're still staying short here. Look at that. Guess I'd have been at least at 42. Maybe I wouldn't have gotten stopped on that one. I'd have stayed at least 52, probably. Yeah. I guess I would have hit it. Wow. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, now do I go long? Let's look at the volume on that big red candle. That I don't like. Hmm. So we keep getting higher highs and higher lows on our swings. So that tells me that we're still going long. Might get a quick entry here. Six and a quarter. Well, I'd like to see it come down and end right around here and then just start going up slowly. Shoot up too quick. Gosh darn it, man. Didn't get above it. All right, drop down. Yeah, we might be going long here. Why not? $10. 10 points, and you're gonna flat. You're gonna go flat. Oh, come on, really? Ooh, that was a little high, wasn't it? push up? No. Come on. Push up. Boom. Flat. Everything's flat. All right. I think we're locked. We are locked. What the hell happened? Why did it? What the hell happened, man? Wait a minute. What? No. No, 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 no. Something's not right. Why am I so? You know what? I'll take that. Even though something doesn't look right, I'll take it. Um, take 2,000. Right. I don't know. I for some reason, I guess it locked me out before it completed the transaction. That was really weird. I don't like it, but it is what it is. We're done for the day, no matter what. So I'm happy with this day. We got $1,000 on all of our accounts. You know, almost. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10. How is that possible? So 15, 35, 55, 50, 75, 100. This doesn't fucking add up at all. 1025.7 plus 1020.7 equals plus 995.7 equals plus 1020.7 equals plus 1020.7 equals plus 995.7 equals plus 1020.7 equals. What the fuck? Okay. It's weird, but okay. It's right, I guess. What accounts are suspended? Just the one. Uh, oh, okay. That's why. Okay, so this account is suspended. Okay, this is making a whole lot more sense now. This account is suspended. And when that one closed, it closed all these because I had made $200 earlier in the day when it should have made it across. I forgot the copy trade, but we're cool. Whew, man. I was thinking this was account one, so we're good. Everything's cool. Yeah, everything's good. So there's a whole lot making more, a whole lot. There's a whole lot making a whole lot more sense right now. Oh, okay. All right, cool. All right, since we're done for today, we're going to end the stream. Let's close this one out first. Let's go back here. Yeah. Let's, all right, we're going to end the stream. Be back tomorrow.